Now to the final part. Everybody is eager, waiting to hear about this. That is the nomination of the position of the Deputy Governor of Nairobi. This is to also notify you that I was ready with the name of the nominee, but I have received a request from the NASA coalition that in the spirit of the handshake and subsequent cooperation with the ruling coalition, that I should consider their proposed nominee, Rahab Wangui, for the position of Deputy Governor. This is therefore to notify that I shall not be forwarding the name of my Deputy Governor nominee today to allow for further consultations. I will, however, nominate a suitable Deputy Governor at the earliest possible opportunity after these consultations are done in full. I wish to read this letter dated 10th of January 2019, received today in the morning at 11 a.m. from the NASA coalition. The headline is Raila Odinga Presidential Secretariat, blah, 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 NASA, Capitol Hill Square, Upper Hill. I also communicated to Baba and other leaders in the Jubilee coalition. The letter states reference NASA /ADM /41/17 addressed to His Excellency Mike Mbuvi Sonko, Governor Nairobi City County. Dear Sir, reference recommendation of Mrs. Rahab Wangui for the position of Deputy Governor Nairobi City County. The above matter refers, on behalf of the National Super Alliance, I write to highly and proudly recommend Mrs. Rahab Wangui for nomination for the vacant position of Deputy Governor. Mrs. Wangui is a bona fide member of the Wiper Democratic Movement, a constituent party of the NASA coalition. She is academically and professionally well-grounded with vast experience in management of public affairs. Having grown up and vied twice for the women representative position in Nairobi, she no doubt understands the needs and aspirations of the people of this great city and will therefore be a great compliment to you as you deliver on your promises and manifesto. Mrs. Wangui had previously served as the Vice Chairperson, Maendeleo ya Wanawake Nairobi Chapter, as well as Plan International, a charity organization, as a senior programs officer. She therefore has wide experience in grassroots mobilization, and community engagement will come in handy in the execution of the duties of her offices. Mrs. Wangui is a firm believer in servant leadership anchored on principles of selflessness, integrity, and service to community. She will give a shot in the arm of your efforts to combat corruption and your war against cartels that undermine service delivery to wananchi. In a nutshell, Mrs. Wangui will be a valuable asset to your administration in its quest to modernize the improved service delivery to the city residents. Signed by Norman Magaya, Chief Executive Officer, Mambo ya Badilika.